Hey YouTube, this is another package I got from Mercari. The cheapest solar powered battery bank I could find. It looks like they've wrapped it in a postal box and taped it up. And with Mercari, you never really know what kind of packaging you're going to get. Let's see here. That looks pretty cool. And like I said, this is the cheapest one I could find in Mercari. It's a little busted up. It should work fine. It was $5 used. It's fully charged. I'm pretty excited about it. It's an interesting type of solar panel there. It's a Eddie Bauer, I guess. It's the brand. It's got a little hole, like a carabiner on or something. Pretty cool. I don't know, I just wanted to show you guys this. If you want to get some cool stuff on Mercari, I'll have a sign-up code in the description. It'll get $10 off your first purchase. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.